this is Tom Nunemaker from Capital Discussions. This is a quick website walkthrough so you can see what Capital Discussions has for you. So on our public site at capitaldiscussions.com, we have education, which is a listing of our experts and what services they have, and we have some classes too. Our blog, which has articles about the weekly market analysis, our weekly guest speaker, and other articles that we produce. Link to the forums, some option trading tools you can use for free. The resources page shows interesting links for traders of different things for the markets. We have economic calendars and Alexa rankings of option trading websites, some training videos, how to contact us, privacy policy, things like that, and a link to our member site. So let's go to the forums and show you what you have here. Right now we have 351 members in our forums with over 1,500 posts. We do have member forums and public forums. Public forums are always available to anybody. You don't have to be logged in. You do have to be logged in if you want to make a post to the public forums. The member forums are for people in our community, and you can get access to special forums like Himanshu and Amy are two of our experts. They have their own private forums for their subscribers, and the forums are fairly active. Now, the members site, this is again where our tools are, but after you log into the member site, you'll have access to the upcoming economic events, which is from Econo Day, and you can see all the market moving events. Those are kind of filtered. If you want to see the whole calendar, you just click on the title, and there's the whole Econo Day calendar. This is from FinViz, the latest markets, S&P 500, Russell, etc. And we have some futures, bonds, gold, oil, and the euro. So you can get a snapshot of what's going on with the market. These are the latest forum threads in the last few days. And Paul Foster, he used to work at the CBOE behind the scenes doing these kinds of reports for the market makers on the floor. And he still does that for subscription. But we have arranged with Paul to make that available to our members. So Paul publishes these messages before the open and near the close, and usually one in the middle of the day. And then we have links to our recent articles. The calendar shows you what's coming up and who's hosting it. So we have, today is Wednesday, May 13th, Trading Group 1. We have several trading groups. I run one, Trading Group 2, Jim runs Trading Group 1, and Himanshu runs Trading Group 7. We'll probably add more trading groups in the future. We have our weekly market analysis on Mondays at 4:30. And the roundtable is on Thursdays, normally at 4:30, but Mark Principato this week had to go a little earlier, but normally they're 4:30. And within 30 minutes of the time of a meeting starting, you'll see a button over here that says join the meeting, and also on the member home, you'll see an announcement at the top that says such and such meeting is in progress. You can just click that and you'll be joined right into the meeting. In the library, we have all the recordings. Now, these are in different formats. We have normally a YouTube format. We have an MP3 audio, MP4 video, the WebEx ARF file, and another streaming source, Wistia. Now, the WebEx files are interesting because they have the chat. So if you want to see the chat, and it's probably the highest quality as the native WebEx file, all the other files are derived from that WebEx file. So this is actually the source file, and you're welcome to download that playback. We do also have attachments sometimes, like Trading Group 7 talked about a spreadsheet in their trading group, and one of the members emailed it to me, and I uploaded it to the library. We do have a few extra tools if you're actually a member. So we have an earnings and price movement analysis and a few other things that are available to you as a member. If you're a subscriber, these are the things that you'll see. You'll see links to the classes. And this is Amy's trade alerts for the Weirder strategy. So you can see we have all of her recordings, the trade images that she uploads, the trade messages she sends out, the trade history that shows all of her trades and their P&L, draws an equity chart, and all that kind of thing. Any documents that she has, frequently has questions. You can ask a question, and you can turn your notifications on and off. So if you want to be notified when a file's uploaded or a trade alert goes out, a message, you can get that via text message or email. So we have a few classes for you that you can subscribe to. These are purely optional, not required. If you do get the Paul Foster messages as a member, then you'll have access to it here. We have an easy way to get on and off different lists, like different trading groups. In Monte Carlo, they're doing a bi-monthly or twice a month education with us, and you can sign up for that or remove yourself from that list at any time. We do have a community directory that's an opt-in, so if you want to see who's in the directory, you have to give permission for other people to see you in the directory. And you can only change that once every week, so that prevents people from changing their status so they can be seen, looking things up in the directory, and then making themselves hidden again. So we want to make sure everybody's willing to share with each other. And then Where Are We shows you what countries and U.S. states that we're in. So 44 countries and 41 U.S. states. So that's a quick overview of Capital Discussions. We hope you enjoy it. Remember, the community is always free. There are additional services available to you if you'd like, but they're purely optional. You don't have to pay anything if you don't want to get quite a few benefits. So we're hoping you can join us in the forums and the webinars and trading groups. And we look forward to seeing you in the community. Thanks a lot. Bye.